Shane Johnson, it's me, Ashley. I'm in a lot of videos running the same exact thing over and over and over again. Just got an idea. When you made the video of the birds and the bees, and then I watched another video of it, I just now noticed that it was about sex. I have a little personal info for you, but it's a video response and some other people might watch it, even. I'm only 13 years old and I have some very big personal info for you guys, but I'm not going to tell you it live. I'm actually going to put it in like a little annotation type thing. So, yeah. Today's date is May 15th. May 25th of 2009. I know, yes, I know it's early. So, yeah, and I'm only 13. I'm 12 actually. My birthday's in a month. My birthday is on July 16th, 1996. That's when I was born. So yeah, I just wanted to make a video response of where did you come up with that song, Shane? And what's with all the wigs falling off and the banana and the donuts and doing this? Very not popular anymore. It's better to say hammer and nails. Like hammer and nails. I know. I called you today, Shane Johnson. I called you today. Let's hope you call me back if you get this response. Let's hope you get this response. Let's hope you're not dead. I'm watching Phineas and Ferb right now. Yeah. God fart. Okay, never mind. I can get it up. But, oh well. Now that I found out that I can make video responses, I'm like really happy. Oh. I found it. Came out. And I was watching this video of the remake of the Interact torture game, Start Here one, and he says that you're just getting people to give you ideas so you could just make money. If you don't think that is true, make a video of that saying, well, that's not true. It's like YT Watchdogs or whatever. If you know him, say you suck. Don't say anything bad about Shane Johnson because he's my favorite. Make him a video response and stuff like that. I know. So yeah, I just wanted to know that. I just wanted to ask some questions. I know the whole reason about the birds and the bees now. But it's kind of stupid. I don't know why you guys can't just say sex. What's the whole point of that? Why couldn't you guys just say sex? I'll yank it out. Yeah, I just got like 3 views on my other video. I sounded pretty happy. I'm starting to get views. Maybe some ratings. Maybe. But, yeah. I'm dead. So yeah, I just wanted to make a video response of that. You rock, Shane Johnson. Yeah, y'all.